Welcome to the launch of Hypercoaster, 15th of April, 2021, Dreamworld, Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia. As you can see, we got the foundations are in, the track's on, and we got another one up here. The launcher is going into place. I'll have to go and get another year pass and go on the other side where joint drop is over there. It's joint drop there. And then we can go around and video the back of it. There was a shed there. And they're going to put that one up in place in a minute. They're going to swing it up on the crane. So thank you for watching, everyone. We'll come back. Looks like someone hit the tree. Hey, young fella, look like someone hit that tree. That one there. That don't look right.
It looks like it's grown awkward, hasn't it?
9 out of 10, if someone didn't hit it, then it's going for the sun. Yeah, you know how the plant goes for the sun?
Yeah.
Yeah.